My name is Kayla Crowder, and I did the MSc in Palaeopathology at Durham University. I got interested in paleopathology during my undergrad at Cal State University in Long Beach. They didn't have a lot of biological anthropology modules, and so I had to do a lot of independent study and found that that was the most interesting part of biological anthropology for me. I found paleopathology so interesting because it had a little bit of everything. It was history, archaeology, medical anthropology, and medical research, and so it just hit every kind of peak interest of mine at the time. Paleopathology is the study of human disease in the past. What we do is look at skeletal markers or lesions that could indicate any sort of pathological lesion that they had during their lifetime. So I chose MSc at Durham because the more I read and the more I found interesting about paleopathology, I realized every author was at Durham University. It was kind of like my A-team, I guess you could say. I have to say my favorite experience about the MSc in paleopathology would be just being in the department. I know it sounds cliche, but there's so many outlets and so much technology, and everyone's willing to help and train, and it's really just a great experience. The project that I worked on during my MSc was with Transylvania bioarchaeology. We did stable isotope analysis on the jet bed population that was excavated. It's based out of Cluj-Napoca, Romania, and we did basic lab analysis. My favorite module in the MSc in paleopathology would have to be the idea and analysis. The title sounds pretty basic, but it's the point where you take what you've already learned and you just build and learn every little detail about every bone, and it's kind of the foundation of everything that you need for the rest of the program. So what I'm up to now, I have just started my PhD here at Durham University. I'm being supervised by Professor Charlotte Roberts and Dr. Janet Montgomery. I'm also doing stable isotope analysis and macroscopic skeletal analysis on a Transylvania population that we're currently excavating. I hope to look at certain lesions on the skeleton that are associated with metabolic disorder. So there was a lot of kind of, I guess you could say, political unrest during the time, and there's periods of starvation and hunger throughout the whole region. And so I would hope to see that in the skeleton and correlate it with isotopic analysis through the diet. The basic period right now that we're talking about for this population is late antiquity, early medieval. We're either going to do C14 analysis or radiocarbon dating to further date the site and kind of narrow down the different occupations.